right, do you see stitches number 5 and 6? Those might be referred to as lightning stitches in my book, but actually they're called stretch stitches. And one is in the center position and one is in the left-hand position. That's the only difference between them. So I'm going to go ahead and go to number 5. And the times that you need the stretch stitch is especially when you're working on stretchy fabrics, such as knits. So you can see that there's a lot of stretch here. I'm going to go back to 0-1 on this one because I want to show you what happens when I use a regular straight stitch on a stretchy fabric. Let's take a look. I mean, it looks good, doesn't it? But the second that that piece of knit is stretched, say, for example, a little shirt going over somebody's head, look what happens. There we go. It pops those stitches. On the opposite end of that, if we use a stretch stitch, I'm going to bump this up to number 5. Let's take a look and see what happens here. There's a tiny bit of a zigzag there, but don't worry, if you're seaming something together, it's going to serve just like a straight stitch and lay like a straight stitch. But when I pull it, there is no popping, and that's because there's enough wiggle room in those stitches to prevent it.